May second at may double pa. Wala pa pong tawag. Huwag niyo pong masusunod energy. Maganda po siya na energy. 25, dalawang juice. Dalawang juice po. Louis.
Now serving jersey number 1. Don't serving. Lucy, pinasa dos. Out the ducky. Pinasa rin sa pato. Patay. Mabilis ang dalawa na ngayon. Lamang ng isa. Ang ilan. Now serving jersey number 1. Lucy. Five off. Now serving. Both serving outside. 3-2 from outside the box. Now serving jersey number 14. Both serve. Nice receive. Pinasa 4. Isa. Serving jersey number 14. 6 serves. 6 serves. Serving jersey number 18. Chance mo lang mangyari. Pinakasakit na. Out the block. 30, jersey number 1.
Ito lang ako.
6 service. ABC, pinasa 4. Pinasi. Pinasa 4. Inside. Long ball works. Grabe mo partner. Ano masasabi mo partner sa mga ginagawa na partner? Tinatanong mo yung partner mo. Partner, ano sa mga ginagawa? Jersey number 1 is currently now number 8, Lucky. Now serving jersey number 1.
Full number 1 sila. Ang walang number.
What about our jersey number 22? Magtalas. Now serving jersey number 3 from China. Pinasa 4. Chance ball. Receiver. Jersey number 1. Pinasa gitna. Pinasa 2. Block. Pinasa sa 2. Maharap. Serving. Jersey. Number 5. The first service error of US. Lover. Point by 8-7. Nabangin sa Petronas. 6 service. Good to see. Pinasagot. Oh my gosh! Oh. Jersey number 10 for isang serving. Kung may seconds kami sa service, ito ako lang siya. Dumatay mo siya. Good service. Oh! Ang sabi, green line. Green line. Naman na isa, green line. Now serving. Dos Carlos. Well, power to me, but outside. Now serving. Dos Carlos. Good service. Good ball. Nasa ball. Oh. Good service. Nasa gitna. Green up po. Lamang na dalawa. Green line. Post function. Good to see. Pinasa dos. Pinasa. Michelle Tumaga. Pagkat ko yung finish. Serving, jersey number 5. Sino ba ko nakapagod? Ay, si Chelsea. Dahil ang nabawa na 20,745 viewers. We also have 60,000 viewers in our online. Good to see. Pinasa dos. Lamang na ng dalawa ang Petronas. Mga natawag ng tayo ng si Coach Shirley. Still serving. Jinelsen. Check. Good ball. Chance ball. Binigay sa blue line. Tinaas. Back. Good ball. Chance ball naman natin. Good to see. Pinasok na ng mga pisa. Inside. Jump overs. 14-11. In favor of Petronas. Still serving pa rin. 8 seconds violation. Chance ball. There's a last ball. Serving jersey number 1. Good to see. Outside. Inside. Now serving, jersey number 14, Ren Palma. Ren, tapos sa mga. Good to see. Pinasa dos. Hey, bye. Bye, Mons. Now serving, Green line. Bernadette Pons.
ako. Lumaabo. Mga card ko. Ay, card na. Urba! October. Namanglalagsan. At Rina. Still serving. Jersey number 3. Michelle Tumabo. Outside. All 17 is our score. Now serving. Jersey number 16. Outside. Service error. Partner sa kanyang partner na ng service error of Pedro. Unlike sa team natin, kasi nalulungin ang service. Pinasik na. What a blazing shot. Jersey number 5. Now serving. Jersey number 12. BBC, jump on, circle. Check on. We say, pass set. Papay. Thoughts, Carlos. Okay ka na? Okay. Serving, pass, Carlos. 19-18 in favor of Coast Mushroom, please. Kailangan Coast Mushroom. Dami na ka. Sumukon. Pinaasa to. Chance ball. Outside. Sayang. Outstanding. Still serving. Thoughts, Carlos. 22 points. 3 blocks. Outside. 39 Coast Mushroom has survived service time. Fabulous receivables, on the other hand, has 4 to this end. 6 servings. Looking. All 20 ang ating score. Sino kaya? At ang makapasok for the championship match. Sino ang unang mamamalitan ng still serving? BBC. Transform. Reset. Inside by the light. Mukhang matcha-challenge ang Petrobras. Anyone running in favor of green line Coast Mushroom. Will this team reset? Casting window. Great ball. Chance ball. BBC. Nancy Ross. Good ball. Set. Good ball. Good ball. Crossing violation. Jersey number 11. 22-20. Dalawang dalawa ang green line Coast Mushroom. BBC. Centennial. Sayang. Isa na lang ang atraban ng green line Coast Mushroom. Serving. Jersey number 5. Good service. Nice stop. Another one. Pinasa na. Last set. Last over. Warning. 21. Damang ng dalawa ang green line for the Smashers. Oh my God. Charles ball. BBC. What about you?
First player for the team. Six service. Chance ball. Height. Outside. Already. Okay, let's go now to Krista, our coordinating reporter. Last warning. One match point. WC. Quattro. Oh my gosh. Juice. Hindi ang laban ng Fernando Sanchez versus Tetris. No serving. Six saving. Pinasok na. Inside. Bunch of backing. Match advantage. Like game like two smashers. Isa na lang. BBC. Ito na kaya ang papakan. Big ball.